Hello guys, welcome back again. In this video, we will look at we will look at getting started with C++ inside Visual Studio Code 2020. C++ support for Visual Studio Code is provided by Microsoft C++ extension to enable cross-platform C and C++ development on Windows. The extension is still in preview, but we mostly focused on code navigation, editing, and debugging support for the C++ inside the code. So rather than just talking too much, we will get started. Okay, in this video, the Visual Studio Code is to use the GCC or C++ compiler or Gin++ and GDB debugger from MINGW 64 to create programs that run on Windows. So rather than just talking too much, we just get on with it. So we come to the extension side there. And as you can see, I've actually typed in C++. So this will be the first bit that comes out of it here. So as you can see, I've installed and enabled. So the extension is enabled globally. So what you do is you actually install this bit here, and then we get on to the next part of it. Okay, so to successfully complete this bit here, if you haven't installed the Visual Studio Code, I suggest you do. And we're also gonna have to install this bit here, the C++ extension. And we're also gonna have to install the C++ extension. We're gonna also install the MINGW W64 via the source forge, right? Which I've got here. So I'm just gonna put the link. So through this link here, we will actually install the MINGW-W64 for 32 and 34-bit Windows. So basically, this is in this video we're actually using the Windows runtime. So before we can go ahead, we need to install this bit here. I've actually downloaded it before, so there's no point for it. So what I'm gonna do is we're just gonna install it together. So I've got the installer here. So as you can see, I've got it here. So first, it's just so here we get the necessary version and all that. So what we do is we just go, and this bit, this is very important, right? So we're just gonna so basically you get the default destination of this. So what we do is we're just gonna change the default, right? And we're just gonna put it on this on our C drive. So it's just gonna be on the C drive. So what we're gonna save is down our local disk C, so on the C drive. So this is where we save it. So we go next. So enter the installation directory. So what I've actually done is I've created a folder inside the C drive. So I'm just gonna see if that will work out. So yeah, that actually checks out. So we're just gonna wait for the whole thing to install. So I'm just gonna pause it. So now we've got the installation completed. What we do is we click on the next bit here, and then we can finish it. Okay, so we continue by opening the settings. And then inside the section, we set, we write edit um, environment variable for your account, right? So we get this bit opened. So we select the path, then we go edit. So here inside the path, we can select we can add a new path. Then we come to the browse. side. So you actually look at where you actually saved it, um, where the download file. So we go, I actually saved it here. So here, inside this bit here, we select the bin. Then we go OK. So we actually select OK for everything to be nice. And here to we go OK. So we close this bit here. So now what we can check it to see if everything is alright by opening the command prompt. So inside the command prompt, you're going to say G++, G++, space, and then dash dash version. So here we can get the version and whatnot. So the next bit is, of course, we can say GDB as well. DB. So we will get this bit as well. So as you can see here, we're all set to go to the next stage of it. So stay tuned and let's keep it going. So what I'm gonna do is just, so inside this command prompt, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna say make mk directory dir, then we put a project for projects here. The next bit is, of course, we're gonna say cd for current directory projects. So we get inside the project, right? So the next bit is cd, we create a new, we're just gonna say hello project. So we're just gonna actually first we're gonna make a new directory. So we have to make a new directory, make dir hello project, hello project. Then we're gonna navigate to that current directory. Um, hello project. So we are now inside the hello project. So right now we're just gonna say it's code. So it's gonna be opening the code. Actually, there's one thing that I forgot. So I'm just gonna close it right here, and we go back to the, and then we say code dot space dot just to go to the current. So now we get it open again. So it will actually it will be taken to the current workstation. So now inside the current workstation, as in the hello project. So now we're gonna add a new a new file, and we're just gonna call it hello world dot cpp. So now we have hello world.c++, and we're now good to go. So now we can type in our C sharp, I mean C++ code. So we can say um, hashtag include. So we could say IOStream, and hashtag include um, the vector hashtag include, and we're gonna add string, and then we're gonna use the namespace, the standard semicolon. So we said int main, so here we can return 0. Then we could say um, we're just gonna say write something out. So we're just gonna say cout, we can say hello world from VS Code. So as you can see, it's very simple stuff to write. So we're just gonna run it to see what actually comes out of it. Okay, so before you could actually run it, so you need to come to the terminal and configure default build task. So you have to select this bit here, the C/C++, the G++ execute. Then once you're done, you see that this the tax.json will be created here. So you have to bear in mind before you could actually run it. So okay, so to build it, we have to come back to the terminal, and then we run the build task. Yeah. So actually, it will take some time for the whole thing to build up. So I'm just gonna pause it. Okay, so we open it, the new terminal to run it. Yeah. So first of all, we just wait for the terminal to open. So we just dir for directory. So we just get the current directory. So our executable is hello world.execute. So we can say um, dot backslash hello world dot execute exe. So this will execute the code. So it's hello world from VS Code. So that's exactly what it's printing out. So yeah, it's a bit weird and somewhat, but obviously we've done it. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please make sure you do, and have a lovely morning, day, afternoon. Peace wherever you are. Bye bye.